Got my heart stuck on desire, 'cause I want to keep you close. And if you can burn my fire, I don't want to let you go.